L blend. Block. Clock. Flock. Glow. Plug. Slug. Read aloud. Read aloud. Glass. Glad. Glow. Plum. Plug. Plot. Slug. Slip. Sleep. Look at the pictures. Circle the correct blend. The Great Elephant. One day, an elephant wandered into a jungle in search of friends. He saw a monkey on a tree. Elephant said, "Will you be my friend?" Monkey replied, "You are too big. You can't swing from trees like me." Next day, he met a rabbit. "Will you be my friend?" Rabbit, "You are too big. You can't play in my burrow." Elephant was upset. A fox appeared. He asked her, "Will you be happy to have a friend like me?" Fox said, "Sorry, sir, you are too big." The next day, the elephant saw all the animals were running for their lives. Elephant asked the fox, "What's the matter?" Fox replied, "There is a lion, and he is trying to kill all of us." The elephant went to the lion and said, "Please, Mr. Lion, don't eat up all these poor animals." Lion replied, "Mind your own business." The elephant had no choice but to give the lion a hefty kick. The frightened lion ran away. After seeing this, all the animals thanked him and said, "You are just the right size to be our friend." Moral: a friend in need is a friend indeed. Number name 31.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
Trace and write the number name. S blend. School. Skirt. Snake. Spoon. Stool. Sweet. Read aloud. Read aloud. SP. Spill. Spoon. Spider. ST. Stick. Stamp. Stool. SW. Swing. Swing. Sweet. Match the pictures with the correct words. Famous people of India.
मेरी तो तमन्ना ये है, मेरी तो आशा ये है, ईश्वर से प्रार्थना ये है.
On the main trouble there's been in India, I'll put it this way, you have said in the past that you wanted to make...
One advice for all of you. Advice to you when you are a student.
लगती कमाल
रहे सलामत मेरा सजना और सजना का आंगन।
Famous people of India. A.R. Rahman, music director. M. Balamurli Krishna, vocalist. P.V. Sindhu, badminton player. Vishwanathan Anand, chess player.
13-year-old Pragnananda. It's a very tense king and pawn endgame, and in this position, Anand pushes his pawn to h4.
Sachin Tendulkar, cricket player. Number 87 and 88.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88.
Write the number. These are the national festivals of India. Republic Day, the 26th of January. Independence Day, the 15th of August. Gandhi Jayanti, the 2nd of October. Stick the picture of Gandhi Ji. Number name 32.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
Trace and write the number name. R blend. Brick. Crow. Drum. Frog. Grass. Pray. Read aloud. FR. Frog. Fruit. Frock. PR. Pram. Pray. Present. GR. Green. grass. Granny. Match the words with their blends.